What if you could start speaking English in your daily life in just a few days, even if you are a complete beginner? In this video, you will learn real English conversations used at home with family, children, and daily routine situations. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand and speak simple daily English sentences naturally. So watch till the end, repeat every sentence with me, and practice daily. Also, if you really want to improve your English speaking confidence, then like this video, subscribe to Skillstack Academy, and start your 10-day English speaking journey with us. Now let's begin. Good morning. I am waking up early today. I am getting out of bed. I am going to the washroom. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am taking a shower. Now I am getting ready. I am wearing my clothes. I am combing my hair. I am going to the kitchen. Good morning, everyone. My wife is making breakfast. The food smells good. I am feeling hungry. Please give me some tea. Thank you. The breakfast is very tasty. My child is getting ready for school. Come here, please. Eat your breakfast first. Do not be late for school. Where is your school bag? Take your water bottle. Wear your shoes properly. My wife is asking me, will you take the child to school today? Yes, I will take the child to school. Please come home early today. Okay, I will try. Now we are leaving the house. Come with me. Sit carefully in the car. We are going to school. The road is busy today. There is a lot of traffic. We are reaching the school now. Okay, bye. Take care. Study well. Now I am going to office. I am checking my phone. I have many tasks today. I am feeling busy, but I am feeling good. Today will be a good day. I am reaching the office. Good morning, everyone. Let's start work. Have a nice day.